Linking your bank account to Thinkific is essential for receiving payments from your online courses. Follow these steps to set up your bank account successfully. Step 1. Log into your Thinkific account. Access your Thinkific account by entering your credentials on the Thinkific login page. Once logged in, navigate to the admin dashboard. Step 2. Go to Payment Settings. In the admin dashboard, locate the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on it, then select Payment Settings from the drop-down menu to access the payment configuration options. Step 3. Choose your payment processor. In the Payment Settings section, you will see options for different payment processes. Select the one you want to use, e.g. Stripe or PayPal, and click on the corresponding setup button to begin the linking process. Step 4. Connect your bank account. Follow the prompts provided by the payment processor to connect your bank account. This usually involves entering your bank details and verifying your identity through a secure process. Step 5. Confirm and test the connection. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /con link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Thinkific and start receiving payments for your courses. If you encounter any issues, refer to Thinkific support resources for additional assistance.